Okay, this is my video on trying to turn a number in standard notation into scientific notation. So when I look at this 2300 here, this is basically 2300. Where's the decimal? If you don't see a decimal in the number, it's always going to be at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 2300. Your decimal is going to be here. So we need to get this decimal in the middle of these two non-zero numbers here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 2.3. And it went down this way. So how am I going to write this answer? Well, I'm just going to write 2.3 times 10 to the third power. This is called scientific notation, and that is standard notation. For this exercise, they're going to have you change it from standard notation into scientific. Just like over here, you see we have this big number here. There's no decimal, these are commas. So first, rewrite it. Then what you're going to do, like I said previously, the decimal is going to be at the end because there's no decimal here. And we need to get it way over here. So what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going this way. So that's going to be 10. So how would I write this answer? I'm just going to use just the non-zero numbers. 1.432 times 10 to the 10. And that's going to be the scientific notation. And that's how you create your answer from standard notation to scientific notation. You see, now this is positive. That means this is a bigger number here. Okay, so now we have this number right here, which is 0.00000058. So first thing is rewrite it first. Okay, then I'm gonna write 58. So now the decimal, now you have a decimal. So we need to get this decimal to over here. Now you see how this number is less than 1? Now we're gonna be going, I want you to remember that. This number is super smaller than 1. So I'm going to take this decimal. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since it's going to the right, this is going to be a -7. Because when you have a negative exponent, that means the number is less than 1, which is a fraction. Okay? So how would I write this answer? I'm going to write 5.8 times 10 to the -7. This always used to indicate to me that the number is less than 1. And that's how you turn numbers from standard notation into scientific notation, okay? Watch my next video for turning scientific notation into standard notation.